Hello guys, today in this video we will talk how to copy text from an image. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to open any image. Okay, and once you open any image in your mobile device or in your PC or your laptop, what you have to do, you need to right click on the image and you need to click on search this image with Google Lens. Okay, so you will see these kind of options, and you can select right click. When you right click, you will see search this image with Google Lens. Okay, this option. So you need to select this option, and once you select this option, this kind of option will activate. And by using this way, you can select any text and you can copy text. Okay, you can see over here, this is copy text. Right click and copy text. So you can choose any text and you can simply copy text. Okay, and you can, by using this way, you can copy text from an image. Okay, so this is the tutorial. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Bye bye, take care.